So if you look over here, it'll show you all of the objects that are in here. You can also hide them like this. You really needed to not see it. You can also adjust things down here. So, for example, if I add a spotlight, it's a very big spotlight. Maybe we should make it a bit smaller. So I would go over here, make the cone a little smaller. I'm going to make the radius a little smaller. What else can I do? I can change the radiuses. I can change how it affects the world, if it casts shadow or not. These are all settings that allows you to change something in this program. You can't change everything about an object, but most things you can. For example, if I liked this light, but I wanted it to be a different color, I could make the light bright red if I wanted to. And I could turn up the intensity so you could really see it. And that's what it would look like. Sometimes the lights don't build properly, which is when you get this right here, and you hit this button right here, build, and you'll get this message pop up. Give it a second and it'll be built. So if I play the game, you'll have this lovely red light.